How do you upload your database to KVCore? I get asked this question quite a bit, so I want to jump in and show you how to do it. What you're looking at right here are all of the current MLS listings in our area. You're going to go down here to Lead Engine. Once you're in Lead Engine, you go down to Bulk Imports. There's two choices. There is a Let Us Handle It, and it's a do-it-yourself. I always go with Let Us Handle It. And what you're going to do is upload your database to Inside Real Estate, and they'll put it into your KVCore. When you go through and agree to terms, you get in here and your information is preloaded. So make sure it's correct. Now you got to go through and answer some questions. I am an agent. I'm in the United States. I want them assigned to me. I own these leads. And then you choose a file. I have my file all ready to go. Do you have an associated lead note file? No, I don't. And here's where you really got to pay attention to what you're doing here. What is your preferred lead status? Now, if you have your automated campaigns turned on, you want to make sure the lead status that you're uploading them with doesn't trigger an automated campaign. So I don't have any status in the spreadsheet. You could put that status in. I always upload as Sphere. And then hashtags. I always recommend that you put hashtags into the databases that you upload. So you have to think about where the database is coming from. If it is coming from your Zillow leads or Realtor.com, or maybe it's your past clients, whatever it is, put that hashtag associated with it. And so you can say yes, and you can add your hashtag. Status, are they a buyer, a seller, a renter, an agent, or is it already a column in your spreadsheet? So you can work on your spreadsheet a little bit and put the status in there, and that way it'll be all separated for you. Most people don't have that done. So I'm just going to say buyer. Do you want the leads to receive listing alerts? So this would be once they're uploaded, they're going to start receiving alerts. Most of the time you don't want that. Do you want to run a smart campaign to receive a smart campaign? No, you don't want to do that. So there's two areas there where you can say no. Or you can make sure that you're not running smart campaigns. One is with the status, and the other is just simply saying no. And then you can put additional information in here, and then you submit to import. Now, I've already imported this, and I want to do it again. But really, that's all there is to it. And so it takes like 24 or 48 hours. Then once you go in, that's when the real work starts, because you got to go into each one of those leads, make sure they're categorized correctly, make sure that they have different market reports turned on, evaluation reports, whatever it is. The system is very powerful. We can cover that when we look at the profile page for each lead. But that's how you do it. If you have questions or need help, I'll put my contact information below. And go in and use KVCore. It's a great system. Thanks.